It's already here.
This one is broken. Keep it this one.
Let's do it one at a time.
You want to do one at a time?
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's your gasket.
gasket. Yes, leaking.
Oh, fuck. I don't know, man. Like, I mean, even though we like we change the spark plug,
Yeah.
if there's a leak,
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. No, I'm just gonna check the spark plug, okay?
Huh?
I just wanna check it.
Take it out.
Yeah.
Take it.
Otherwise, if we put that thing and then if it's still leaking, it's.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it doesn't make any difference. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna check this spark plug and let's see how it looks.
Okay.
And then let's decide if we could change it. Otherwise, I mean, there's no point of changing it. It's leaking, you know. I'm just gonna check these three. You know what? No wonder they sell it for cheap.
That people maybe you don't take out, you don't check it anything.
Yeah.
Look like.
I mean, like, because. It's loose, right? Shit, look at this. This one is dry.
Yeah, you had to clean it and put it back. Yeah.
This is the original one. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
just clean it. Yeah, exactly. This is the original one. Then you can you know.
Retain.
Yeah, because this
Yeah.
one is loose.
Yeah, yeah.
Then return the one.
Yeah.
Then just sell it. You know,
Yeah, better.
rather than spending too much money, man.
Yeah.
It's just loose. Fuck shit. It's loose. It's not tight. I don't know.
Maybe that people say the missing spark plug is maybe right.
Yeah. And then at the same time,
Yeah.
your spark plug is loose.
No, my son, friend is working in the
Yeah.
car dealer.
Yeah.
That guy bring the car.
Yeah, yeah.
He put on the computer and then he check
Yes.
the printout.
Misfire says.
And then he say one misfire and then battery weak.
Yeah. Maybe they had like a super good computer
You
for.
know, this is the
Yeah,
company.
of course, it's
Yeah,
Honda.
dealer,
Right?
dealer, the people here, it's a Honda dealer
Yeah.
in Sarai or somewhere.
It's just that. Can you hold this? It's just that, you know, they are lazy to.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. This is not. Just clean it up. Good. Make it dry. See? All fluid goes in there. Right? See? Should be dry. This one should be dry. So it has a misfire, right?
Maybe, yeah.
Let's just clean it. At least, I mean, like, you're not gonna spend too much.
Really? Yeah.
Rather than changing something that it doesn't need to be changed,
Yeah.
right?
I don't know.
No, I mean, like, for sure, this will. I thought there's a problem with the gasket, but then I was really surprised. This
Maybe
one is,
the alarm will go away.
this, no, for sure. This will run good. I guarantee.
Also, the alarm go away. Also, you make it a more kilometer.
Yeah.
Because one plug, you get the gas.
Yeah,
go
exactly.
Waste.
Because it's so loose. I mean,
Yeah.
I use a couple of socket. Then I thought it was like there's something wrong with it, but it's not tight. So all the fluid
Yeah.
is going everywhere.
Because I buy the engine is good.
Yeah.
That's why I buy. Otherwise, I don't buy.
Yeah. Let's try to. This one will work now. It's so nice. You know what?
Yeah. Yeah, you can clean it inside. Maybe some cloth, maybe put it inside.
Can do that. The car will be. It's okay. Okay, let's put it on. Oh yeah. See? It's loose. I don't. Maybe somebody like changed this one, and then they forgot it to.
No,
Like-
because original one, maybe nobody changed it. You know this. You know the new product.
Yeah.
Somebody you don't know. Old toll crane.
Yeah.
That toll crane sometimes you don't work. He don't know. The computer checking you'll pass. Because I doing in my company,
Yeah.
Volvo Penter. We are put in the computer.
Yeah,
Computer pass. He come back and then look it. Is something wrong?
Easy fix.
Pardon?
It's an easy fix. It's just a loose spark plug. You don't need to change it.
You can retain. The better.
Okay, let's put it back.
And then you can do one more thing. You can change the air filter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You.
I don't have the screwdriver. This one. That's why I take out this three.
Yeah.
This one I cannot take out. I don't
Let
have
me
the
see.
longer.